Hi, my name is Preksha. I'm a computer engineer and I come from actuarial background. Uh, right now, I'm into share markets for last 6 months. From the very start, I am the part of a community, which also I'm going to talk about along with my experience. It was suggested by my sister. She is also part of this community, and she was also already profitable when she suggested me this training. So starting with my experience, I initially I was thinking trading is an art of making profits in share market, but gradually I realized it is beyond that. It is it is equally important how you can manage your losses, how you can stop your losses, how to manage portfolio overall, how to manage your mind when you are seeing profits and losses in share market, at what extent you can put at what extent you can put your money into single stock, at uh, at what extent you can diversify your portfolio, many things. So as so my sister suggested me to take trading training under Vishal Bheda sir, and I took it. And right now, as a community, we use same system and discipline, follow the same discipline to make profits. Best part of trading with system, what I feel is you can take keep yourself away from emotional disturbance that you may feel when market is going up and down. You can prevent your trading account from unnecessary losses, just because of greedy entries in stocks and fearful exits from stocks. So that's the benefit of working trading with system. And secondly, as community, we meet regularly online to discuss recent market trends, performance of different stocks, and probable bullish or bearish trades of a few stocks. Uh, uh, as a community, we are from freshers to experienced people. We are very variety of we are very variety in experience. So I'm really blessed to have lifetime access of experience, uh, updates and knowledge of and from variety of people. Last but my most favorite part is I also learned to make money in falling market. So I learned how to make money when market is going down, which is really important nowadays because seeing the downtrend of market. So yeah, I really recommend this training. Thank you.